Understanding, read the music sheet, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that musicians and music enthusiasts frequently use. Read the music sheet. Whether you're new to music or brushing up on your English skills, this video will break down the meaning and usage of this phrase in a way that's easy to understand. Let's explore the world of music together and unlock the secrets of reading music sheets. Reading a music sheet refers to the ability to interpret the symbols and notes on a sheet of music. It's much like reading a book, but instead of words, you're reading musical notations. This skill enables musicians to understand the melody, rhythm, dynamics, and structure of a piece of music just by looking at the written notes and symbols. Think of it as a language that communicates how a piece of music should be played. A music sheet is filled with various symbols, each with its own meaning. Let's break down the most important components. Staff, the 5 lines and 4 spaces where notes are placed. Clefs, symbols at the beginning of the staff that define the pitch of the notes. E.g., treble clef, bass clef. Notes, symbols that represent the pitch and duration of a sound. Rests, symbols that represent silence or the absence of sound. Dynamics, instructions on the volume of the music, e.g., soft, loud. Understanding these elements is crucial for reading music sheets effectively. Reading music sheets is essential for musicians for several reasons. Accuracy. It ensures that music is played exactly as the composer intended. Efficiency. It allows musicians to learn new pieces more quickly. Communication. It serves as a universal language among musicians, enabling them to perform together seamlessly. By mastering the skill of reading music sheets, musicians can elevate their performance and enjoy a wider repertoire of music. If you're new to reading music sheets, here are a few tips to get you started. Start simple. Begin with music that has simple rhythms and familiar melodies. Practice regularly. Like any language, reading music becomes easier with practice. Use resources. Don't hesitate to use tutorials, guides, and teachers to help you understand and improve. Remember, patience and persistence are key to mastering this skill. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to read the music sheet, and why it's a valuable skill for musicians. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your music reading abilities, remember that practice makes perfect. Happy practicing, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.